And you know, one thing that Jesus loves to do is to bless people. He loves to bless people. Okay? Are you aware that Jesus loves to bless you today? That He wants to bless you today? Okay? That He wants to answer all our prayers? That we will not go home empty today without the blessing from the Lord? Okay. Now, the Word of God said, we can do the things hidden. And then the one thing that Jesus loves to do is to bless people. Okay? Can we start this portion by just greeting one another and say, God bless you. God set you free. God heals you. God answered your prayer. God give you peace.